Hello guys, today's video we are going to learn how we can upload image using Node.js server on S3. Okay, for S3 services we are using Cloudflare. S3 means a simple storage service which provide the storage facility in every websites or app you have used some storage means you have some need some space for storage your folders, storage your author files, storage your videos. So for that reason you have to use storage services. We are going to use Cloudflare storage S3 bucket, but sometimes you are going to use Cloudinary and other services also. So in this video we are going to learn how we can use Cloudflare S3. Okay, so now you have to just log in the Cloudflare and there is a sections R2. Okay, you have to just go to R2 object storage, and on that section there is an overview, and this provide the storage services means 10 GB per month free. For that reason you just only provide your card details and billing address, nothing else. Then additional charges will be 0.015 per GB per month. Okay, then it's allow you it's giving you tokens, key ID, and other details also. Okay, because I have already a Cloudflare account, so we are not going to go through that. Okay, we have already that key, so we can go through the server codes. Okay, it's our basic server setups, which is required the express package .env for env files and the cores and body parser and cookies parser. Okay, so we can go through this, and it's a basic setups for our server which is required. Then our server is going to run npm run dev. For that you have to just go to the package.json file where you have to just write the scripts means for node app.js and dev for nodemon app.js. Okay, I think you all already familiar with the node 1 package. And okay, so it's our basic setups for app, and there is a folders for controllers, routes, and app.js files. We will provide these codes on GitHub repo, which is available on YouTube descriptions. And then we are going to storage controller files. Okay, on this we have two packages: AWS SDK, which required for sign in S3. Okay, then we required another package is UUID. UUID required for unique generate key means which is files names. Okay, for unique generate key we required UID package. Then we create a S3 AWS S3 functions or pre-built S3 functions for sign in. We are required the endpoints, access key ID, secret access key, which is you get from your Cloudflare. Okay, then signatures versions 4, and it is latest version of signature versions version 4. Then it's a functions get upload URL. There is some extension and type. Extension means your file should be jpg, png, or anything. Currently we are accept only 3 to 4, which is a png, jpeg, and svg. But if you want to upload mp3, mp4, and the other formats of documents like a pdf, doc, anything, you can use or upload that thing also. Okay, so currently we are using extension and type on for validations. Okay, or on type you have to just for write their folders names means it's store the data on the bucket. Okay, means if you have a projects like xyz. Okay, so you have to just create a bucket like I have already create lots of bucket on that. Okay, so you have to just create a bucket xyz like here a button create bucket. Okay, so on bucket, on that bucket there is a public key. Okay, and the S3 API URL and key ID and access token are same for every project, every bucket. Okay, and then yeah, it's a only validations part where type is a folders names. On every bucket there is a for some certain folders like your bucket name is xyz, but on that xyz there is avatars and other types of folders also. So for type you just enter that avatar also. Okay, yeah, both is required. And UUID is a unique identity key where we have used as a key. We have to concatenate that names like a type means file type, and type means where folders are stored, and their names means the UID key, which is unique identifier, and their extensions which become the key. Okay, then we use the s3, the sign in functions. Okay, we have to use this s3 dot get signed url promises for put objects. Okay, then bucket names. So bucket name, I already told you, the bucket name is your project's name like xyz, and their key and expiries. Okay, when expiry is over you can't upload that image on that parts. Okay, that urls. Okay, then we return that base storage urls and download url means where user can get that where user can preview that image, means if you giving any url for upload images, after uploading how can access that image. Okay, for that you we have sent that download url also. Okay, on that response we have sent that upload url, success true, file name, and download url and key. Okay, so we have run these projects. I think it's already run npm run dev. Okay, it's already done, and the port 5000. So we're not going to open the env file, and so we're going to postman collections. Yeah, there is a extension which is a png, and type should be avatar. Okay, then we make a post request because it's already in post request. If you go to their routes file, storage.routes, it's a post request storage uploads, and app.js there is a certain definition defines storage routes, and their endpoint should be api v1. So overall endpoint is localhost 5000 api v1 storage upload. Okay, I think you got it. And the what you have to just pass in the body, which is a extension and type. I think you go through that controller, there is a body which is a request.body, which is a extension and type. Okay, so we make a request on this. So okay, on this response we got that upload url success true, file names, download url and key. Okay, so on upload url, if I click on that upload url. Okay, so on that upload url I have to just upload that image. So what the request should be, the request should be on post put request. If you go through the code. Okay, if you go through the code, yeah, the sign in url promise. Okay, what is there, the put object. Okay, and it provide the put request for the bucket name and key and expiry. Okay, so we make a put request on this url. Okay, how we can upload that files means images on this. So for that you just go to body. Okay, on body there is a binary, you have to select that binary. Then there is options for select files. We are going to this choose that file from our local machines. Yeah, we can upload anything like I just go through a screenshot. Okay, okay, it's uploaded now. We can go through for preview. Okay, if I copy that url, download url, and open in my browser. Yeah, it's already uploaded. Okay, so I think you got it, how you can upload image on s3 using cloudflare. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye.